welcome to Confessions of a Refashionista. I'm Refashionista Sherry, and I am here to show you how to live affordably, sustainably, because why? Being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth. So today I have very great news and not at all great news for you. So let's start with the great news. I am one of the lucky instructors that was actually chosen to test out and try out Facebook's new live teaching course platform. So from today until November 1st, you can click the link in the description box and head on over, enroll in my course, and get $10 off. And again, it is not expensive at all to begin with, and it's just gonna be me live with you, giving you 100% rockin' refashionista tips, tricks, tutorials, instruction. You can show me items that maybe you're having problems with. I can give you tips and advice, and we are going to do my 4-step wardrobe audit with your actual wardrobe as well. Plus, I mean, so much more. So click the link and go enroll in that course. Get your $10 off before November 1st, and I shall see you there. Okay, so now it's time for the totally not great news. And that is that I do not have a Rockin' Refashionista tutorial for you this week because for the past days now, I have been dealing with a rather insane happening that happened in my house, in my studio actually. And yeah, it really does have to be seen to be believed. So let's just take a look at it. Okay, I've come downstairs and there is everything flooded down here. Appears to be from the toilet. You can kind of see it's quite deep. The water here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's just everything is soaking wet here. Thankfully, it didn't manage to get over there. And yeah, even here in the laundry room, it is, draining here, but it's everywhere, soaking wet. Yeah, okay. And the closet is totally soaked as well. The long items that I had hanging here are, of course, soaking wet over there. And yeah, so let's get to clearing the closet here. It's just a lake. So this toilet, was manufactured and probably installed around the same time here. It says December 18th, 1985. That is nearly antique. And this was actually pointed out to our landlord last spring when we were having problems with the toilet. This is how it was repaired at some point in its lifetime, a piece of string and a piece of wood, and yeah, it was supposed to be replaced last spring, so really it was only a matter of time that, we were gonna have a flood or something. But yeah, I just, again, it's just unfortunate that we just seem to have terrible luck with our houses. So yeah, I mean, it's a lot. That was an insane amount of water. I can only think it happened because of the state of that 36-year-old toilet and the repairs that had been done in the past to it, because I mean, it's the downstairs bathroom. We rarely use that toilet. All of the water was clean, luckily, because again, we rarely use that toilet. So it was as you saw, just a lot of kind of soaking up water, shoving it around. I made the nice little track there with towels to help us get it into the drain there in the laundry room. But again, yeah, hopefully, like I said, fingers crossed, it shall be all completely sorted out by this evening. And yeah, please do pop over to that link, check out my live Facebook course, and enroll. And like I said, you get $10 off if you enroll before November 1st. And yeah, I just think it's going to be so much fun to actually do this live and interact with you guys. And I'm so excited to see, you know, as we're going along, what you make, to share, of course, all of my refashionista imagination and knowledge with you. Again, live. This is just it. I'm so excited. If you couldn't tell, I'm so excited to do this live. Yeah, and of course, I do also have my other huge, massive e-course. That's linked down below too. Check out my podcast. The most recent episode actually is talking all about marketing, how to market your online businesses yourself with a fab marketing expert, Stefan Dimov. So I shall link that down below as well. And as always, of course, refashionistasherry.com has absolutely everything. And yeah. Oh, if you want to make something this weekend, I'll also include the link for this groovy suit I'm wearing, which is a transformation of a rather tacky 80s suit into a rather fabulous, updated kind of top and trouser set. And that tutorial also includes how to replace a trouser zip. So it's a 2-for-1. So again, that's linked down below. And yeah, until next time, guys, fingers crossed that I get my new toilet today. And stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.